With meaning against. After fight, struggle, quarrel, argue, play and words with similar meanings. With can be used with the same meaning as against. Don't fight with him. He is bigger than you are. Will you play chess with me? With is also used after a number of adjectives which say how people are feeling towards others. I'm cross with you, furious with, upset with, angry with, pleased with. Afterwards, we say how people act towards others, like kind, nice, polite, rude, good. We generally use to, not with. She was very kind to me, not with me. Accompanying circumstances and reasons. With can introduce accompanying circumstances or reasons, rather like and there is was or because there is was. Joel started the race with a light following wind. With all this work to do, I won't have time to go out. With friends like you, who needs enemies? Without can be used in similar ways. Without Peter and Paul, we are going to have trouble finishing the repairs. Possession. With is very often used like have to indicate possession and similar ideas. There are so many people around with no homes. That means who have no homes. They have bought a house with a big garden. Clothing, voices, transport, etc. Note that in is often used instead of with to refer to articles of clothing. Who's that man in the funny hat? Could you go and give this paper to the woman in glasses? We say in a voice, not with voice. Why are you talking in such a loud voice? If you have any questions regarding the lesson, please feel free to ask in the comments section below. And do subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated.